Hi, I'm Dave Hook. There are many new drone pilots out there, and you don't need a license from the FAA if you follow these 5 simple rules for recreational flying. First, fly for fun and recreation. Non-recreational flying requires a license. Second, fly using the safety guidelines of a national organization like the Academy of Model Aeronautics. Third, your drone must weigh less than 55 pounds. Fourth, always give way to manned aircraft. And fifth, if you intend to fly within 5 miles of an airport, heliport, or seaplane base, call the airport's manager and get permission first. To learn more about flying drones, join me at the 2018 San Antonio Winterfest Drone Fly-In on Saturday, February 10th from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. I hope to see you there.